my channel once more. Let's go for another trading session. As you can see right here, I've got 50 bucks. So I withdrew 51.27 last night. So I'm still waiting to receive the funds. Meantime, we're going to start this new journey. So my goal is to double these 50 bucks. Okay, so it will take me 30 sessions. And after 30 sessions, if all goes well, I will have my 50 bucks. Okay, target per session is on the first session is 167. So we're gonna aim for 167. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, yeah, I understand now. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Let's see. Something's not quite right here. Hold on. Okay, it's correct now. So starting balance and the target balance is 51.67. So once I complete this session, I will put the finish balance. Why isn't it R there? Oh, remaining. I will put the finishing balance in there, you know, like this, and we will we will be good to go for the next one. Okay, so 51.67 is what we're aiming here. So 1308 743 1650. 1308 743 1650. That's correct. Okay, so now we're gonna look for opportunities. So stay tuned in. Okay, we got one coming up, Euro USD. So it's sort of an uptrend. It's approaching the 50 SMA. So we're expecting the momentum to slow down here. See a green candle coming up. So hopefully this one will be a green candle. And the next one will be a push, second candle where we're going to roll with it. Okay, it's pushing up. So let's wait for the second candle because this one is about to close. And looks like the momentum is there to reverse. So hopefully we're going to catch it. We are in. Let's see if it continues to push up. It's not pushing up. Ooh. Okay, we got it. I wasn't too sure about it, but I was getting ready to place the second trade. So we got the second candle, cool. So 51.67 is the target. So let's look for the next trade. Okay, we have USD DZD. So we can see that it's on a downtrend. Currently is trading above the 50 SMA. So I'm expecting to see a pull back. Okay, I'm expecting to see the price, well, not a pullback, a continuation to the downside. But because we are trading above the 50 SMA, the price is fighting a little bit. So you can see it has too many wicks right there. So that just gives me an idea that potentially it might be a struggle to push the price down. So probably might be a struggle until the price comes below the 50 SMA. And then once that's done, potentially will break out to the downside. So that's what we are hoping for. So now we just gotta wait and see what happens. But yeah, seems like it's not gonna go down. So we're gonna leave this one alone and look for the next opportunity. Okay, guys, we got McDonald's here, and it was on the uptrend, and then you can see the momentum start to slowing down, broke the 50 SMA. So now it's coming to retest the 50 SMA as we can see right now, or getting close to it. And I believe that it's going to have a continuation to the downside. So we're going to look into place sell positions. But still into my, okay, it's cranking down now. So let's see if we can catch next candle. Seems like it's going to crank down any minute. That's a big pull. So the next one might not be a red candle. It's going to be a green, most likely. Again, we are hoping to see this thing going down. So let's see how this one's going to push. So this is an area of interest, like that. That's why it's reacting there. The thing is, it's moving up and down too fast, so it can get easily burned because this is not the strong downtrend yet. So am I gonna leave it alone and look for a bad opportunity? Okay, we have a USD cup. Let's see. Oh, it's pumping. 1 second for the next candle. This candle was a big pump, so it might not pump as hard as we think it will be. And also it's on a consolidation zone here. You can see that consolidate a little bit in this area. There was resistance in the past. Yeah, seems like it's not going to crunk up. I was expecting to see a continuation to the upside after this candle, but no. Okay, see you later. But yeah, it doesn't look like it, so let's keep looking. Okay, we got USD, JPY. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens. JPY. Okay, it's pushing down. We can see that we're on the downtrend. He's already pushing. Let's see if we can catch the next one. It's a big red candle here. Ooh, ooh, that's a very long one. So the momentum might slow down a little bit after this long red candle. Let's have a look. We're going in anyway, because I think he's gonna push down. Because if the trend is strong, we'll continue to push down. Okay, we got it. So 51.79. 51.79. So that means we conclude the first session targets, and that's good enough for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna input this figure on the spreadsheet. So you only have to take 2 trades. Beautiful. So 11 points gains, and this one 8 points gains. So that's it, and that's 3.33% gains right there. So 51.79, 51.79. So this one I'm gonna put the same as this one, and then once I conclude the second session, I will put the target. So as you can see, now the session target decreased. So instead of 167, I'll need to make 166. And as you go along, so for example, if on the next session I finish at 60 bucks, look at the target session. So decreases. And then the next one, if I finish with 70 bucks, then the more I make in one session, the less I will have to make on the remaining sessions, if that makes sense. And then once it gets below $1, I just need to place one trade because the minimum net profit is going to be around 90 cents. That's it. One trade, one win, we out. Bit by bit. And bit by bit, we will build the balance and eventually get to session 30 or even less than 30 sessions and double our money. Essentially, that's the whole idea. So 51.79. So this one done. Um, I'm going to call it a day for now, and then I'll be back later or tomorrow and try to go for the second session. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.